Okay, so I'm now going to show you how to log in as a student on the Seesaw Class app. Now this is different from the Seesaw Family app. That's where you see what your child is doing. In the Student Class app, the student can post their work for their teacher. So from the screen, you're going to click I'm a student, and then you're going to scan the QR code, or you may have a text code from your teacher. Either way, you just enter that information. Now I've set up a test student over here, and it's called KIBS student. So you would click your child's name on this screen, and then you just click tick. Notifications, you don't really need them on. And then this takes us to the main screen over here. You can see activities, and you can see any class announcements, okay? So these are your main parts of Seesaw that you need to become familiar with. Basically, whenever a teacher posts their work, it will be on this screen over here. And your work can either be a to-do, so this work hasn't been completed yet. It can be in progress, so this is work that is ongoing. It can be completed, and it'll be in this folder. And you can also see on the calendar when the work was set. So let's just go for this example piece that I've done over here. This is to know the different parts of a plant. And if I wanted to hear the instructions, I would make sure my sound is on and press the play button. Take a look at the template that I've attached for what types of plants I want you to take a photo of. Or there may also be a video to watch, and again, you just click on the video and you play it. To respond to an activity, what your child needs to do is press Add Response. And then that will take you to a different screen. Now this depends on what the teacher has set for you. Okay, here there are bits for the child to do. There's different things, but sometimes it might just be a blank screen. It could be a lot of different things. You can review the instructions by clicking at the top. So I'm just going to use a blank screen to show you some of the different features that you can do. If you wanted to add any photos or videos, you do it from this screen over here on the side. If you want to write any text, you type the text button. And then any sort of text that you make, you can also press the three dots and you can change what it looks like or whatever you want to do on that. A really useful feature as well is the microphone. Now the microphone's just here. It will allow you for access, and then you use the microphone. I'll just show you really quickly how to do that. This is a test of the microphone. Okay, and it turns the screen into a recording, which sort of goes on top. If you've done something that you don't want, like I've just done, you can delete it by pressing three dots. And you also have all the different types of pen that you can change over here, which the children should be familiar with. When you're happy with the work, you can press the green tick in the top right corner and send it to the teacher, and they'll receive, and they have to approve it. If you've sort of halfway finished the work and you need to stop for whatever reason, you can press the draft button. And the draft button will save it in the in progress box over here to be finished later. So I'm going to finish off this work now. Obviously, I've not completed the activity how it should have been done. I'm just going to press the tick button to submit it to the teacher. And then you'll see waiting for the teacher to approve it. So I will go on my teacher account now, and I will just quickly approve that post. So I've gone onto my teacher account and I've approved it. And you can see that here it's now on their journal, which is this little blue book. So all the work that they post will be on this journal. The child can comment on their work. They can put it in different folders. It's all there for the child to use. One other part, which some teachers may use as well, is the inbox, where the teacher will send announcements to the child. Not all teachers do this. It's just there for them to send any messages to the students. One other thing that you can do as well as a student account is post work that hasn't been set. So if you want to do any extra work, you just press the plus button, like I've just shown you. I'll show you again, and you can post any extra work. And that's all you need to know for using Seesaw Class at KIBS. Hope this helps.